Alright guys, today we're going to talk about how to find great value in the current market. Find the worst house on the best block. Real Estate 101 is location, location, location. So you want to find the worst house surrounded by amazing homes. Number 2, search for price per square foot. You can oftentimes find outliers, real bang for your buck, lower price per square foot than all the neighbors. Traditionally find a bigger home in an area at a little bit better value. Look at the days on markets for properties. If they've been sitting and sitting and sitting, usually you can negotiate those prices down and get some better deals. And then number 4, look for homes that are fixer-uppers where you can add value. A little bit of remodeling goes a long way in equity. So if you're able to do the additional work, you can truly get a great value. And that's how you found value in the current market.